AI is basically the transformational shift that is looking forward to, and AI is very helpful in data analysis, in hassle-free task. There are many things which have been made easier by AI, but its moderating use, its integration with values, and overall being rooted with the system and the culture is very important that the student should seek for. Firstly, they shouldn't go to AI directly. Rather, they should trust themselves. So, trust thyself is the motto. So, firstly, when they trust themselves and then use AI in order to do the task, in order to make it easier, but not to rely it on only and the wholly. So, that has to be avoided. And the true knowledge is that which makes us free, or which gives spark to our creativity. So that true spark will come from our mind and not from the mind of the AI. So that is the true thing, that the creativity must spark from within, and it must take help of AI in order to modify it, in order to make it better, not just complete AI. So mind along with the AI is the better thing that will bring forward the paradigm shift that we are looking forward to.